Now I'll drop Redmi Note 7S from my shoulder height, which is approximately 1.5 meter high on this floor. Let's see what happens. See? Nothing happened. It's still working. So let's start with a scratch test. I have with me 4 different devices: Realme 3 Pro, Vivo V15 Pro, and Samsung A50. All 3 of them with plastic back. And we also have Redmi Note 7S, the phone with Gorilla Glass 5 back. Let's start with something simple, a key. Let me try and scratch all of these devices. So let me try something a little bit harder, a screwdriver. And I'll try and do scratches like this. As you can see, there are a lot of scratches on all the 3 plastic phones, but there's hardly anything on Redmi Note 7S. And now for the ultimate test. I'm gonna use a blade. And please do not try this at your home. As you can see, there are a lot of scratches on all the plastic phones: Realme 3 Pro, Vivo V15 Pro, and Samsung A50. The scratches on a Samsung A50 are getting hidden in the white color, but Redmi Note 7S with Gorilla Glass 5 on the back still looks like a brand new device. So now let's test the P2i nano coating on Redmi Note 7S, which makes it splash proof. I'm gonna pour some water on Redmi Note 7S. See, nothing happened. We also took the water test to the next level to see how Redmi Note 7S fares, and it came out with flying colors. That's Redmi Note 7S for all of you guys with a groundbreaking 48 megapixel camera sensor starting at only 10,999 rupees. And I really hope all our fellow Indians can buy this incredible 48 megapixel camera. And that's why we're calling it as 48 MP for everyone.